welcome to my YouTube channel, Flawless by Laura IOM, and welcome to my third episode of my March curation, Use What You've Got. And today's episode is a very special episode, so stay tuned if you're interested. This is the product. It's really special to me because it's one that actually my mum taught me about and showed me when I was a teenager. It's one of her best kept secrets, I guess. It's like in Boots, it's so underground, it's on the bottom shelf. Like, you gotta know it's there. Do you know what I'm saying? My mum actually got this from my Lola, which is grandma in Filipino. So she actually uses this too. And I know it's available in a lot of countries. It's a Unilever product and it's called Pond's Cold Cream from the Ponds Institute. This is suitable for any skin type. It's so exciting. Like, you can't get any better. You can't get any better. This cream is so rich. Smells absolutely divine. And this retails at £3.25. Just have a moment's silence there. £3.25. It's so affordable. Like, literally, I say this is the cleanser for everybody, for everybody's budget, everybody's skin type. You just can't go wrong. Amazing. And any age as well. It's fantastic. So, one caveat about this product is don't use it if you have irritated skin or any kind of like open blemishes or wounds or anything like that. But other than that, it is suitable for any skin type. So in my video today, I'm going to be showing you 3 ways to use this product. The first way I'm going to show you is as a daily cleanser, as part of your cleanse, tone, moisturize routine. So this is a brilliant cleanser that anybody can use. So I'm going to show you how to use this as a cleanser. The second way I'm going to show you how to use this is as a face mask. So this is, if you lather this on, it can act as a gorgeous weekly face mask. So we're going to try that out too. I'll show you how to use this as a face mask. And thirdly, amazing, such value for money, this product. You can actually use this product to remove makeup as well. That's incredible stuff. 3 ways to use this product. And this product retails under £4. Really good. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned to see the 3 ways to use Cold Cream Cleanser by Ponds, and shout out to my mum for teaching me all about makeup, beauty and self-care and inspiring me. Number 1, you can use Ponds Cold Cream Cleanser as a cleanser. So basically put it all over your face, avoiding the eye area, rub it in and use a hot flannel or cotton to clean your face after. And voila, you have a clean and cleansed face. Number 2, as a face mask. Take the Ponds Cold Cream Cleanser, use a brush. I'm using a foundation brush here I've set aside to put face masks on, and put it all over your face in a very generous manner. Lots and lots of product, and ensure you avoid the eye area. I would leave this product in for 10 to 20 minutes and then you can wash it off. The third way to use Ponds Cold Cream Cleanser is as a makeup remover, and this is literally my first time trying it out in this video for you. I've put it all over my face and on the eyebrows and eyelid. I then taken a clean flannel and absolutely drenched it in very hot to warm water and rubbed my makeup off. I felt that it worked really well for the makeup all over my face, but I really struggled to remove my eye makeup with this product, and I did have to therefore go in with my micellar water to remove the stubborn mascara. It did feel gorgeous on my face as a makeup remover. Thank you so much for watching this month's video on my March curation, Use What You've Got. I really hope you try out the Cold Cream Cleanser by Ponds. Let me know if you tried it out and let me know what you think about it. So, as always, please like my video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any videos. I just want to shout out to my 100 subscribers who've subscribed to my channel. Thank you guys so much. I really, really appreciate you subscribing to my channel. It means the world to me. As always, please feel free to share this with others if you think they'll be interested in makeup, beauty and self-care. I've got some really, really exciting things lined up this year. I'll be continuing with a weekly tutorial. I've got my monthly series, #IOM Brow Tours, but I also have some other exciting videos coming out this year as well. So thank you so much. So you can find me on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, all by the same name, Flawless by Laura IOM. Okay, till next week, guys. Thank you. Bye.